Hi there once again, this is Brad at Brad's Home Center. Now I have bought one of these Hopvision immersion blenders. Now what I wanted was an immersion blender that had that little stirrer off to the side, because that is the mini food processor or blender. Because we do lots of single serving stuff and lots of quickie stuff, and the big ones, they're just too big. A lot of times you just want to do a speedy thing. Now we're unboxing it. Now the first thing I notice, this has some significant weight to it. It really feels good in the hand. Has 12 speeds and turbo action. I think we're going to see that in action in a minute. Because you know what? Ain't nothing better than driving it, is there? Cord's a good length. That's 6 feet. Because you know, ain't no good unless you can plug it in. Of course, there's the immersion blender end. Let's see how that attaches up. Nice and easy. Almost silent. That's 12. Feels good in the hand. And there's turbo. I am going to be best friends with this. Our little stir cup. Ooh, you know what that's for? You know what that's for? Martinis. Single whisk. Oh, something else in the box. I am unsure where that goes to. We're going to have to read the instructions. And you know how I feel about instructions, don't you? Let's see what we got. Locks in really nice. This looks like it slides in right there. Let's fire that up. Oh yeah. Anybody want to see what it does? Let's give it a whirl. I got some fresh milk right over here. This ought to make some fun. Oh, that's a cream top. We got to open that up, don't we? For those of you who don't know, I usually buy my milk from Homestead Creamery. It's real milk with real cream. And it's absolutely delicious. Let's put a little bit of that in there. Slam the lid down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's see what turbo does. If that was cream, I bet we'd be having butter by now, or whipped cream. All right, that looks like it's a winner. Let's try the Immersion Factor. We'll do the same thing. We'll pour a little milk in our little jug. Set it up right about there. Now this is good for making mayonnaise and smoothing out things. I think we'll use this in our pasta fagioli next week.
True.
Oh yeah, I can barely pull it off the bottom. You see that suction? I think we bought a good toy here. Mr. Whisk. Make those scrambled eggs, all your sauces. I'd say that one's all right. I'm not too sure about the martini maker. I think I'm going to have to take up martinis.
Yeah, that's the first time I've seen that before.
What did James Bond say?
Yes, shaken, not
Shaken
stirred.
and not stirred. Well, this is the stirred. All right, we purchased this on Amazon. The link's down below. I like this, the Hopvision. I bought this on Amazon. The link's down below. Please like and subscribe our channel. Watch it. There's more to come. And I only use what I like. Thank you.